Right now, there's almost 100,000 customers in southeast Wisconsin waking up in the cold without power. Brendan Conway from We Energies is joining us live once again. Brendan, thanks for being back on with us this morning. How are the restoration efforts right now? Do you guys have any idea when it will all be restored?
Good morning, Mallory. We do have some updated information. We have in this state, really across the Midwest and across the industry, mutual aid efforts where we can call in extra resources if need be. And some good news this morning, we have received some more mutual aid from some other Wisconsin utilities that weren't hit quite as hard as us. So we are getting extra resources more than we at first anticipated. That said, we do know it's going to be still a long restoration. We don't yet have that estimate to when all customers will be restored, but today into tomorrow seems very likely.
That mutual aid and that those people are getting here, do you have any idea on when they'll arrive in southeast Wisconsin? And what are your concerns about the blowing snow today?
Yeah, really throughout the day, as we can get crews in, we'll get them out and starting working on restoration efforts. And I should point out, we also have hundreds of our own employees and contract crews that have been and will remain working. So we're really throwing everything at it. But you're right, it's taking longer to get everywhere, whether it's just from one of our service centers to an outage, from outage to outage, or as we have crews come in from across the state. Everything is taking longer, and then once they get there, it also takes longer to restore power. Sometimes we have to dig out an underground line. We have to work up in bucket trucks in this really cold, wintry weather. And of course, it's cold. If you're outside shoveling, now imagine doing that 20 feet above the ground with sophisticated equipment around electrical equipment and trying to use your hands for hours to replace stuff. So things take longer. That's why we appreciate our customers' patience.
Yeah, the snow and the wind, definitely not great to be out in today. But looking ahead to next week, we are going to have multiple days with highs in the single digits. What is We Energies doing to prepare for those bitter cold temperatures?
Yeah, luckily, our natural gas heating system, which is how most people in this state heat their home, is underground and is prepared. It's actually kind of designed for weeks like this where it's incredibly cold. And so we're going to make sure that as, I guess some of these quote unquote mild temperatures move out and the really cold temperatures in, that we're continuing to provide people with that heat. But the focus, I think, in the short term is on getting these power restoration back up, customers, their lights back on, and then continuing to work in through the cold weather. And if that requires working those 16-hour shifts, which our crews have been, they'll continue to do so. I mean, this is the time that we know how important it is. We know our customers rely on us, and we're here to make sure they can get their lights back on and their heat, importantly, back on.
Yeah, about 80,000 customers between Waukesha and Milwaukee County in the dark this morning. Brendan, thank you for making time to talk with us, and thank you to your crews who are working so hard to get that power restored.
Thank you.